Meaning of Elizabeth Fry.
Elizabeth Fry.
Elizabeth Fry.
Elizabeth Fry.
Elizabeth Fry. Elizabeth Fry was an English philanthropist and social reformer who lived from 1780 to 1845. She is known for her pioneering work in improving the conditions of women and prisoners in Britain. Fry was a Quaker and believed that all people should be treated with kindness and respect. She worked tirelessly to improve the conditions in various prisons, advocating for better sanitation, education, and opportunities for women inmates. Her legacy continues to inspire social justice work around the world, particularly in the areas of prison reform and women's rights.